today I want to show you a website where you can create 17 types of puzzles online. For this website, some are free, some are not, but all are worth it. By using puzzle.org, you can create interactive puzzles and puzzle games for all ages. To create your own puzzle online, just open any browser and type the word puzzle.org. Click this one, puzzle.org. So this is the website of puzzle.org, online puzzle maker. So they have 17 types of puzzles here. Okay, this is the types of puzzles. They have create crossword, categorize, word search, create a row stick, create sliding puzzle, then if you would like to create, just click create. And if you want to know more about the puzzle, you can click more info. And for this website, you can only create 2 puzzles per day. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.